boost your business. Hi, my CEOs. Now that you have logged in your daily action plan, right? Because in the previous video we learned about key activities. Let's ask the next big questions. What do you need to make all of that possible? Welcome to block 7, that is key resources, the stuff behind the scene that helps your business alive. The main content in this block will be key resources that consists of people, things, tools, or knowledge that make your key activity possible. Without them, your business can't run. You can't conduct any business without your key resources. They can be physical, for example, equipment, materials, or space even. And the next will be human, your team, your skill set. Next will be digital software, social media account, payment system. And the last one, intellectual branding. Okay, your secret sauce. That will be your key resources. For example, bubble tea. Okay, key resources might include the ingredient, your milk, tea, pearls, and all those yummy toppings. Without good stuff, your drink won't shine. Am I correct? Next tool, a blender that makes it smooth, and a sealing machine. Okay, that's satisfying your customer's need. Okay, then your designer. Okay, designer bestie. Remember the genius behind your logo and menus. Okay, cute branding, maybe Insta photos, pre-marketing. And of course, you, the genius, the real secret ingredient, your creativity, energy, hustle, that makes all stuff, okay, unforgettable. That is resources. Without resources, we can't see the results. So now you need to know that, what is next. After you get your resources, you know about your activities, you know about your resources. What is next? Of course, with whom, you have to work. Okay, so the next will be about key partners. Okay, don't forget that key partners is very important. Okay, so stay tuned with us for the next video, key partners.